This quick guide explains how to buy shares of Clearvise AG and walks through the steps using eToro as an example. Clearvise AG operates in the industrial water treatment and filtration sector and is listed on Xetra under the ticker ABO.DE, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and I am using eToro as the example platform to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can buy shares. Use the platform search box to find the company by name or ticker. Type abo.de to locate Clearvise AG and select the matching Xetra listing. On the stock page, check the company description, market listing, and recent price chart to confirm it's the right asset. Make sure the exchange shows Xetra and the ticker abo.de before proceeding. Click the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to allocate and carefully review the order details, including any fees, before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade can be placed. After the trade, your Clearvise AG position will appear in your portfolio. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to open an account or learn more.